Now let us look at the feminine nouns. Well, they behave pretty much the same as masculine. They exist in 4 forms. Let us look at one example, a jente, which is a girl. Definite form will be jenta. You see the definite form gets the ending a and not n and not ei. Plural is just the same as in masculine, jenter. And plural definite, again, just the same as in masculine, jentene. So it is only definite singular that is different from masculine. Ei dør, døra, dører, dørene. Ei skje, skjea, skjeer, skjeene. So pretty much like this. So only definite singular form is different from masculine. And of course the article in the indefinite singular.